Gotcha. You thought I didn't see you now, didn't you? You thought you sneaked past me now, didn't you? Now pay me what you owe. Give it here. Pedro and Romero are the Castro brothers. Chicken plus dinosaur, dirty motherfuckers. Gave me a name, very little direction. Then in turn I gave them perfection. Give me here. I know you didn't pay me, just give it here. Turn and lose my riches, just give it here. Pay me one time, just give it here. Give it here. Give it here. Give it here. Come on, you dirty motherfucking Castro brothers. I signed a contract with money attached to it. Time to pay up and you bitches didn't do it. Now you're trying to claim that you own my image. But chicken plus dinosaur equal bitches.
Give me a name, motherfucker, and I gave that bullshit life. Never paid a fair price.